Have you noticed something strange happening in artificial intelligence? While major tech companies focus on billion-dollar advancements, a quiet revolution is brewing in open-source AI. Open-source AI is no longer just a hobby, it's rapidly gaining ground. Companies like Google and Microsoft are starting to feel uneasy. If open source succeeds, their entire economic model could be at risk. To grasp why, let's start with a simple question: how does AI profit today? The current model is centralized. Companies build large models and offer them through paid APIs. This strategy mirrors that of cloud computing. However, there's a major flaw: APIs struggle to compete with free alternatives. Open source AI is closing in on being good enough to pose a serious threat. Look at the acceleration in development. In 2022, open source models lagged behind significantly. By 2023, they were only months behind. Fast forward to 2026, they're leading in specific areas. Consider this: thousands of developers collaborate openly, iterating at a pace that leaves corporations scrambling. One expert noted that unpaid volunteers can outpace big teams with massive budgets. This is no exaggeration. Open source AI excels not just in performance but also in adaptability. Developers can fork models, tailor them for niches, and run them on their own hardware, bypassing costly cloud solutions entirely. Big tech is aware of this shift. Their answers are telling. Meta has embraced open source, not from altruism, but to combat competition. If open source becomes standard, Google's profit edge erodes. The real revolution extends beyond Silicon Valley. Countries like France and India are adopting open source AI to reduce dependence on foreign technology and gain control of their data. This transformation is changing AI from a product into a geopolitical tool. Even within industries like banking and healthcare, organizations recognize the need for privacy. They can now deploy open source models on premise, ensuring compliance and safeguarding sensitive data. This shift could divert billions from cloud AI providers. What frustrates big tech the most is that innovation is becoming democratized. A teenager can now make significant contributions that rival those of tech giants. The barriers to entry are collapsing, shifting the focus from hardware capabilities to raw talent. But does this mean open source AI will triumph? Not so fast. There's still a crucial bottleneck: pre-training data. Major companies hold exclusive access to vast datasets. Open source communities often depend on synthetic or narrowly focused data. The battle for AI supremacy may pivot from models and compute power to data access and copyright laws. Now, let's explore what happens if open source ultimately prevails. If AI models become commonplace, the value will shift to areas like distribution, specialized datasets, and workflows. In essence, the trillion-dollar opportunities will emerge in new spaces, diminishing the monopolies of closed companies. Developers gain control, leading to a less centralized future than anticipated. So yes, big tech is worried. Open source AI isn't just reshaping technology, it threatens traditional business models. Revolutions don't always stem from costly enterprises, sometimes, they arise from public contributions on platforms like GitHub. If you're as intrigued by this shift as we are, join the conversation. Subscribe for more insights on the future of AI and technology.